Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares, the channel that helps you fix your home appliances yourself. In this video, I'll show you what to do if the drum is not spinning on your Beko washing machine. Now, if the drum is not spinning on your machine, it could be due to a faulty motor. Now, this is a fix that you yourself can do at home with help from eSpares. If you find this video useful, please do subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell and leave us a like too, as this helps us to create more and more appliance fixing videos for you, because you never know when you'll need eSpares. Also, leave us a comment to let us know how you got on with this repair. For this fix, you will need a Torx T20 head and screwdriver set, a Torx T30, and a pair of safety gloves. Safety first, always make sure you turn off an appliance and disconnect it from the mains before carrying out any work. Next, you need to remove the lower rear panel from the back of the washing machine by undoing all the screws that hold it in place using your Torx T20 screwdriver set. Now, before I remove the last screw and take the panel away, I've just put my safety gloves on to protect my hands from any sharp edges. Now I need to remove the drive belt from the motor and the pulley. I've taken the safety gloves off to do this. You can do the same, of course, but do be aware of any sharp edges. The simplest technique is to turn the pulley, which will turn the belt, and gently pull it towards you. And it should come off the pulley and the motor spindle, like so. We need to remove the electrical connection from the motor. Simply push down the tab at the front and then wriggle it free. And the wiring loom is held in place to the motor by this clamp here. To remove that, simply pinch the two plastic parts behind, squeeze them together until the clamp can come out from the motor and move out the way. Now, I've popped the safety gloves back on because what we need to do next is, using the T30 Torx screwdriver, undo these two bolts that hold the motor in place, and then I'm going to lift the motor out of the washing machine. Just be very careful of any sharp edges like this one before doing so. When purchasing a new motor for your Beko washing machine on the eSpares website, it's essential that you have the make and model number of your appliance. This will ensure that you're getting the correct part for your particular machine. Now, if you're unaware of where to find the model number on your appliance, don't worry. Check out our video here that will tell you everything you need to know. To fit the new motor, push the holes, the two holes on the motor, onto the motor mounts as far back as you can get them. Like so. And then you can fit the two Torx T30 screws. You can then push the wiring loom clamp into place, ensuring that it's locked in, and then push the electrical connection into place on the motor. Should click into place and be locked into position. Then we can refit the drive belt. To do so, ensure that the ribbed side is on the inside of the belt, connecting to the motor spindle. So just get it on the edge, a little bit further in from the edge, and then you can work it around the drum pulley very gently, very carefully, very slowly, just to ensure that you're not doing any damage to your hands. So work it round and push back on the belt. To get it into position. Just keep pushing back on it to ensure that it's firmly in place. Now I can refit the lower rear panel onto the back of the appliance. Again, make sure you're wearing safety gloves for this because there are some sharp edges on these panels. Now, it's a good idea to start at the top, put one screw at the top, which will hold it all in position, and then you can work the rest of the screws in place. So there we have it, how to replace the motor on a Beko washing machine. Hopefully your drum is spinning once more and your machine is working perfectly. Now that you've resolved this issue, do you want to learn about energy saving tips for your machine to get not only the most from it, but also to save money? If so, check out our video down here that will give you all the information you need to know. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if it's been helpful for you. Thanks for watching.